Hello friends and families, welcome back again to another video. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. In today's video we are making Abelewalls recipe. So this ice cream is so simple and easy to make. So let's check on the ingredients. I have some cornstarch, non-dairy creamer, evaporated milk, condensed milk, and also flavors, and I'm using vanilla and strawberry. That is what I prefer. I want two flavors, and also salt to taste and the cups to shape my Abelewalls. So in my pot I will add the cornstarch. You can also use flour if that is what you have available, and I will add some water, mix it very well, and then put this on the fire to boil for some few minutes. After that I will take it off from the fire. And if today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. This is Getty Cooks. In this channel we make food recipes. If you are interested, kindly subscribe and also click on the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a video. To my returning subscribers, you guys are so wonderful. Thanks for the massive support you have shown me. I won't have been here without your love. And thanks for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate it a lot. Alright guys, at this point the non-dairy has dissolved, and I will go ahead and add my condensed milk. Also, I didn't add any sugar to the ice cream because of the much sugar content in the condensed milk, but feel free to add more if you want your ice cream to be more sweet. I went ahead to add evaporated milk and salt, mix them together, and once it is well mixed, I added the flavors to the ice cream. Alright guys, at this point I will serve the ice cream into the cups, then go ahead to add my sticks. So I will freeze this for 6 to 8 hours. You can also freeze this for overnight. And if you're still watching up to this time, you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please consider subscribing to the channel, like this video, and also share this video among your friends. So far, our Abelewalls is finally ready after hours in the freezer. Just look at this yummy and beautiful ice cream. This looks so delicious and so simple to make. With just a few ingredients, you can make your own ice cream at home. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up, share this video. Till then, see you guys in my next video. Peace be with you all. Stay blessed.